Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to The Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, just click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Alright guys, for today's video, I thought it would be really fun to attempt to make poison apples, like the apples from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Now this is just a candied apple or a toffee apple recipe, and you can customize it however you want, any color you want. You can add glitter onto the outside of these. We're going to be making our candy coating and cleaning our apples properly, and then drizzling some white chocolate on them to form the skulls that form when the evil queen dips them in the poison. So if you all want to try this recipe with me, stick around and we'll get started. We're going to start by removing the wax from the outside of our apples. For every 4 cups of boiling water, I add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and we're just going to dip our apples in them for 6 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to immediately place them in a bowl of cold water. To prepare the candy coating for our candy apples, we're going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Now add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and stir to combine. We're going to bring the sugar mixture to the boil over a medium heat. We want this to reach hard crack stage, which is approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I have my food gel colors separated out here because I'm doing different colors, but if you're just doing one color in one batch, you can just add this straight into your boiling mixture at the very end. We're going to mix that up until everything is combined and the color is evenly dispersed. You want to be careful here because the mixture is very hot. And once we start mixing that, we're whipping air into it, so it's going to start cooling it down. Now to dip the apples, I've just placed them on wooden dowels. I'm going to be dipping them down into the bowl of the sugar mixture, making sure it comes all the way up to the top. Look how gorgeous that black color is, you all. It looks so wicked and so pretty at the same time. Now we'll just continue to do that for the rest of our apples. After they've set completely on our piece of parchment, this doesn't take any time at all. We're going to melt some white chocolate down in the microwave on 30-second intervals until we have a nice pourable consistency. And I've just placed this in a popping bag, and we're going to attempt to make the skull shape that forms when the evil queen dips them in the poison. I know this footage didn't come out very well. You can see the end product. I'm literally just trying to draw the eyes out and then the nose and let everything drip down. It's a little tedious and a little time consuming, but totally pays off in the end. They're so cool looking. And here they all are. Look how great they turned out. They're also super tasty. I really hope you all give this recipe a try. From my home to yours. Enjoy.